PEQUECLIPS. Let's talk about the vowels. Hi, Mema here. Let's talk about the vowels. In the big family of letters called the alphabet, there's a special group called vowels. The vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. They sound like music and they help us connect consonants. This is how we create words like cat, dog, and sun. The vowels have the same shape in Spanish and in English, but they have different sounds. In Spanish, each vowel has only one sound. A, E, I, O, U. In English, each vowel has more than one sound. The letter A, for example, can have a short sound. A, like in a, apple. Other times, the letter A can have a long sound. A, like in acorn. It's a lot, and you will learn the different sounds over time. For now, remember, the vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. In Spanish and in English, the vowels have the same shape. In Spanish, each vowel has only one sound. In English, each vowel has more than one sound. See you next time!